STP Framework.
The STP Framework segmentation, targeting, and positioning is a core concept in marketing. It helps businesses identify the most valuable customers and develop effective marketing strategies to reach them.
1. Segmentation.
What it is: dividing a broad target market into smaller, more manageable groups segments based on shared characteristics. How it works: identify relevant segmentation variables, for example, demographics, psychographics, behavioral, geographic. Divide the market into distinct segments based on those variables. Develop profiles for each segment. Examples: demographic: a clothing company might segment its market by age: teenagers, young adults, seniors, gender, or income. Psychographic: a travel agency might segment its market by lifestyle: adventure seekers, luxury travelers, budget-conscious travelers, or values. Behavioral: a coffee shop might segment its market by usage frequency: frequent customers, occasional customers, or loyalty. Geographic: a grocery store might segment its market by region or urban, rural location.
2. Targeting.
What it is: evaluating the attractiveness of each segment and selecting one or more segments to focus on. How it works: assess the size, growth potential, and profitability of each segment. Consider the company's resources and capabilities. Select the most attractive segment as to target. Examples: a luxury car manufacturer might target high-income professionals. A children's toy company might target parents of young children. A local bakery may target people living within a 5-mile radius of the store.
3. Positioning.
What it is: creating a clear and distinct image of the product or brand in the minds of the target customers. How it works: identify the key benefits and attributes that are important to the target customers. Develop a unique value proposition that differentiates the product or brand from competitors. Communicate the positioning through marketing messages and activities. Examples: Volvo positions itself as a safe and reliable car brand. Apple positions itself as an innovative and premium technology brand. Dollar Shave Club positions itself as a convenient and affordable shaving product.
Overall example: a fitness app.
Segmentation. Segment 1: young adults 18 to 35 interested in weight loss and high-intensity workouts. Segment 2: middle-aged adults 35 to 55 focused on maintaining fitness and reducing stress. Segment 3: seniors 55 plus interested in low-impact exercise and mobility. Targeting. The fitness app company decides to target young adults 18 to 35 due to their high adoption of technology and interest in intense workouts. Positioning. The app positions itself as the go-to fitness app for achieving rapid weight loss and building muscle through challenging, personalized workouts. Marketing messages emphasize the app's advanced workout tracking, motivational community features, and expert design training programs.